News just coming in from Mumbai. Maharashtra Navnirman Sena Chief Raj Thackeray has just been detained by the Mumbai police. Those pictures coming to you live now from Mumbai. Raj Thackeray just minutes ago detained by the Delhi police. Remember, 500 MNS workers have now been taken into preventive custody across the state of Maharashtra as the MNS launches that statewide Rasta Roko agitation against toll collection. Now, Raj Thackeray had said he would lead quote-unquote non-violent day-long agitations, and his activists would shut all toll collection booths across highways of the state beginning 9 o'clock this morning. Well, the police took no chances. There were 20 companies of the SRPF deployed across the state of Maharashtra, also 4 companies of the Rapid Action Force as well to prevent disruptions. But in the latest news coming in, Raj Thackeray himself being taken into preventive custody. Well, those visuals on the left of your screen now coming from Pune, on the right from Mumbai. So similar scenes across the state. 1.8 lakh policemen have been deployed across the state along with the Rapid Action Force and the State Reserve Police Force. More than 170 Maharashtra Navnirman Sena activists were detained in Navi Mumbai last evening as well. So the police really taking no chances at this point, but also going that one step further and detaining the MNS chief, Raj Thackeray, in the last few minutes. Saurabh joining us at this point for more. Saurabh, just take us through what's happened in Navi Mumbai, where you are at that Vashi toll naka where you are in the last few minutes.
Well, Raj Thackeray was on his way to this toll naka in Vashi. This is where he was supposed to lead the protests of his party, the anti-toll agitation across the state. Now, what we are being told is that Raj Thackeray has been detained, taken into custody while he was on his way. The exact area where he was taken into custody is between Chembur and Chunabhatti. And of course, what we are being made to understand that he will be taken to a nearby police station. Now, of course, this agitation, the police have acted really soon. They've been on alert. 500 MNS workers were taken into preventive custody. And not just that, now what we know is that as and when MNS workers were trying to block the road, police have been acting at this place and taking MNS workers into custody. We've seen some MNS workers being taken into custody right here at this Vashi toll naka when they tried to block traffic. Now, of course, the Chief Minister had sent Raj an invitation for talks on the issue, saying that the state was considering overhauling the toll collection policy, but all of that was rejected by Raj. Today, he was to lead the protests here at Vashi, but of course, now what we know is that he has been detained. Clearly, the administration is trying to take the steam out of his protest by detaining him. Had he arrived here, his party workers would have been more emboldened to try and block roads, but right now the police ensuring that as so far as traffic movement is concerned and so far as vandalism is concerned, none of that happens, and trying to make life normal in Mumbai to ensure that normal life continues so that commuters and the members of the public do not suffer. The update right now from Maharashtra, Mumbai, is that Raj Thackeray has been detained. Right. Clearly, the police trying to take the steam.
All right,
out
Saurabh,
of
we'll let you get more details and, of course, come back to you for that breaking news story. For the moment, though, that's it on Daily 10.